Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I said in one of my videos that I'm going to be showing you how to extract your audio from your videos using your smartphone. So without me delaying you people again, let me show you people the way to extract your audio from your videos using your smartphone. So you go to this app. This app is called Seed MP3. This is the app. This app, MP3 converter, and then audio converter. Those are the two apps. When you click on this MP3 converter, there are two. One works with you have to be a premium subscriber. Then the other one works with you don't need to be a premium subscriber before you can do it. So this is MP3 converter. See the name on the top. MP3 converter. All right. So this if you can see, you see so many audios. So coming, let us. I wish I would see a video that we can really extract the voice from. Okay, there's a kind of voice here. So you click on the video. You are seeing this video to audio, video cutter, audio cutter. So those are the apps. There are so many other things. We have audio mixer, and these are all the whole tools here. So what I normally use this app for is video to audio. So I'll click on video to audio. Then it will now show me all the videos I have on my phone. It should show me all the videos I have on my phone. So let me do this first one. And you click next. There's an audio here at the ending path. So once you see it, you click on this convert. And then it will tell you that save with which name. You can change the name. Let me just say logo intro. Logo intro. Introduction. All right. Audio. So that I will remember where it is. You click on save. And then it will quickly get it for you. So let's play.
Check description for link on Raph while you're watching.
So you're seeing it. So that is how you can extract audio from your videos, and then you take to the Adobe enhancer to enhance it. So it's super simple. Then there's another feature I still want to show you. here. See this audio cutter. See it, this audio cutter. Let me just say, in the Adobe Podcast AI, they allow you to enhance an audio that is less than 30 minutes, not more than 30 minutes. So if you have recorded like 1 hour minute of audio, 1 hour audio, and you want to take it to Adobe Podcast to enhance, you will have to split it. So when you come to this audio cutter, you click on it, you will now look for the audio. Like you can see, I saved one here, IO Flyer Design 4, IO Flyer Design 3. You can see it. That's because I've already cut the flyer design, IO Flyer Design. I've cut the audio into 4 because it was close to, I think, 50 minutes. So it was more than 30 minutes. So how you do it is that you click on this particular one, the audio you want to cut. Then you see it, you will shift this from here when the talk began. Then you shift it to this point. Then you do what? You write the time. This is the time, you write this time, and then you write this time. So that when you come back again to continue, you will know where you are going to continue from. So it's just simple, it's not something very hard. So I don't want you saying you have difficulties extracting your audio from your video any longer because I've showed you. So try it and give me your feedback.